Within Bill4Time's accounting system, you can keep track of AR as well as payments, debits, and credits. You can also make use of our trust accounting features if you are on the legal plans. Once you click Accounting from your navigation bar, you will have access to a snapshot of your firm's accounting. You can see what is current in your trust accounting, what has been paid, month to date, the balance due, and unbilled balance on the account. You can click on any of these snapshots to access a report to run for further detail. You can search for a client by typing in the client's name, which will show the client in the list. If you click the client, it will take you straight to the full accounting for that client, which will show all past invoices, payments, and adjustments. Here you can click on an invoice to be sent to the Invoice Details page, or click the print or PDF icons to save it to your computer. If you receive a payment or enter an adjustment from this screen, it will autofill the client for you. This brief overview of the client's accounts will show the client name, account manager, last payment date, billed balance, unbilled balance, total balance, and trust balance. You can customize these columns by clicking the gear icon to check or uncheck these options as needed. The buttons available from here are Receive Payment, Balance Adjustment for either a debit or credit, as well as Transfer Funds if you are on the legal plan. Thank you for watching the Accounting Overview tutorial. Please click to continue watching for the next video in the series.